But I wanted to share some canning and pressure canning books that I use as resources. And then my self-sufficiency book. I mean, these are resources that I use almost weekly, if not one of these on the daily, for recipes, for ideas, for inspiration. If I get hung up on something. I am a reader. I know a lot of people like different types of content. For those people out there that like to read, these are my favorite ones.
Yeah, these are good books.
Yeah. I gotta show you where the real magic happens.
Yay!
What I'm most excited to show you is actually utilizing all the food that I grow and canning and preserving.
Oh, wow.
So
this is amazing.
This is my pantry where I have jams and jellies. I mean, I made a ton of mango jam. I think you probably saw my video.
Yes.
We go through a jar of mango jam pretty much a month. So during mango season, I need 12 jars of mango jam. When we go up to the Blue Ridge Mountains, we get our apples and we make fresh apple butter from apples that we picked from farms. We know where they're coming from. I volunteered at a lychee farm, so I have some lychee preserve. Just like salsas and soups.
That is so cool. Oh my God.
We make a lot of chicken bone broth and chicken stock because I tell people, like, don't throw your bones away. Like, put your bones in a bag and then put it in the freezer. And when you fill up the bag, give it to me because I will use your bones. Like, if you're gonna, use the whole animal if you're gonna eat an animal.
Exactly.
So I don't and if it's Thanksgiving time, like, my family members know. Like, I'm coming for that carcass at the end because we go through so much bone broth because it is the base of a lot of our soups and things like that.
Okay, got you.
And then all the pickles down there are like my favorite pickles from cucumbers and relishes, and we do our beans from dried beans.
You go, girl.
So
you
yeah,
are doing the darn thing.
And it's all things that I just kind of self-taught and just kind of scouring the internet and asking questions and reading books and so the second part of my little prepper pantry is just like all my homestead tools. So I have my pressure canner, which is a Presto. I think it's about $120.
Okay.
If you want to get into pressure canning, you have to pressure can vegetables, soups, any type of like meat product. But you can water bath can your fruits and salsas and tomatoes and things like that. So depending on what entry level you want to start canning and preserving your food, you can get this one tool and it'll do both things. I have a dehydrator. Another hack for people that do can is I keep all my canning rings on a bungee out of the way. I just hook them on some chicken wire back here because, I mean, they get overloaded really quickly. And then I just try to keep my jars organized. So these are all canning jars, and then recycled jars I have down here for, giving things away for people and stuff like that. So I try to keep it really organized.
This is so organized. I'm so happy that you showed us this because this makes it like, if you're interested in doing what you're doing, this is a all-encompassing tutorial.
Well, yeah.
You even told them how much it costs. I'm like, yes, and it's a Presto. I'm about to go on Amazon. You go, girl. This is cool. Thank you. And I watched you paint this on Instagram.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, I love seeing it in person.